right, guys, this is a hack. Bear with me. We are going to, when you're creating a landing page for any of your PDF guides or anything like that, when we're creating that landing page, it wants the URL. Like where does it go when somebody fills that out? So this is what I do to create that hack. I come over into marketing, into smart campaigns. I'm now going to go into templates. I need to get into the advanced email editor. So I'm coming right here, advanced editor. I'm not really creating anything. I just need to get a PDF. So a link. So I'm going to drag the image block. Now on my other screen that you don't see, I actually have like my buyer's guide, seller's guide, staging guide, relocation guide. So I'm going to drag and drop. And you see it, like nothing really happens when I put in my guides. It'll just go in there and then it'll disappear. But when it disappears, here's what happens. It's now inside of my kvCORE storage, even though it's not an image. This is the URL, and I'm going to just copy that. That's what I need for creating my landing page. So now I can come over here to my lead engine, build a landing page. And when you're over here, you're going to see I have my hashtag. That's how everyone's going to be labeled as they enter my system. Super important. Submit button text. That's right here. Then it has the URL. So they give me their email. They're going to get what, and that's typically a guide. You probably have in a PDF. You could also, if you have it in Canva, you could share the web link. You just wouldn't say download. You would have view my thing. But this is see how it's PDF. This is my PDF. So you can see if I copy and paste that download, you're going to see the actual relocation guide. It just downloaded. So that is basically the hack to be able to use any PDF. It does have to be pretty small to be able to do the landing pages for them to be able to download those guides. So that's my hack. Hopefully it helps. I want to see what you guys do. Chat soon.